Last topic is SQL views. So in SQL, a view is a virtual table based on the result set of an SQL statement. So it is a table that is based on the result of a select query. It does not store data itself. It just presents the data which is already stored in another table. So the view does not store data. It just displays the result of the query every time you use it. So view contains rows and columns just like a real table. The fields in a view are fields from one or more real tables in the database. SQL statements and functions can be added to a view and present the data as if the data were coming from one single table. So what is the difference between a view and a table? So table is actually storing the data, keeping the data. You can manipulate data over there, you can read data from there. Whereas view is just giving you some refined data set, or you can say it is a table that does not actually exist, but it is actually allowing you to view particular fields or data from the table that is stored, right? So this is virtual and this is not. So how do we create a view? So a view is created with this statement clause create view, and you keep the view name as, and after this it's the simple query select query that we have seen earlier. So this is how you just simply create the view. So this is a given data set, and this is a query that is that shows that view has been created for Brazil customers only. So create view Brazil customers as, select customer name and contact name. So we are keeping we want to view the name and the contact name for that person from this table customers, where country equals to Brazil. So the match is done, the query is run, matching is done, and the resultant table will be a table named Brazil customers containing all the data, all the customer name and contact name for Brazil customers only. Right. So once we have done that, we have created this view. Now I want to view the data it has created. So this is a query, simple. This it is the same way we have seen in the previous lectures. You write select static from Brazil customer. So it is going to return you the same fields that we have declared earlier, the customer name and the contact name, and and these customers belong to this country. So now if I want to update a view can be updated with the create or replace view statement. Create or replace view का इस्तेमाल करेंगे हम, followed by the view name and followed by the select statement. So now if I want to add the city column to the Brazil customers view, how do I do that? So create or replace view followed by the name of the view, which is Brazil customers, as select customer name, contact name, city from customers where country equals to Brazil. So I'm going to update the field name in the field section only. If I want to drop the view, so just make use of the drop view statement followed by the view name. So this will just simply drop the view or delete the view. So drop view followed by the Brazil customer. And this is for this lecture for today.